Right in the heart of downtown Spokane, you'll find The Onion. This iconic restaurant has served Spokane for years as a family-friendly hub of great food and rich history.
I've been coming here since 1975.
Some unique but local flavors, which I like a lot.
When you think of Spokane and being downtown and what's fun, The Onion would be absolutely on the list.
It's been around for a long time in downtown Spokane, right?
Yes, over 41 years.
Owner Christy Belisle knows that the history behind The Onion is half of the charm.
It was originally the Union Tavern.
Okay.
And the sign needed to be repainted. There wasn't a lot of money to paint. So the painter, the sign creator, suggested, why don't you just close in that U and make it The Onion? So that's how it became The Onion. That is historical truth.
The food is delicious and the atmosphere. I mean, look at this place.
The food's great, the atmosphere is great.
Here it seems like there's more effort put into making the food and making sure the ingredients are, theirs.
It's just a cool place to be.
But along with the history of The Onion comes some secrets as
A
well.
little side note on the French onion soup.
Okay.
After you're pregnant for so long, you're done being pregnant, have a bowl of the French onion soup.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, it has helped a few of us go into labor.
What?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Seriously.
So there's some onion lore.
There
We have
is.
the French onion soup.
Yes. Some of those mamas are ready to be
Yes,
done.
they're like, okay,
Yes.
take me to the onion.
They
please.
are.